Hello, in front of me I have CAT S62 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on this device. First, we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button. Then tap on the power off option on the screen to turn off your phone. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button to turn it back on. And when the phone vibrates, we need to release the power button and quickly press and hold the volume down button. So let's press and hold power. And when phone vibrates, quickly press and hold the volume down. We will enter this menu. Here we can use the volume down and volume up buttons to scroll through the options. Find the option called recovery mode and press the power button to confirm. And we enter the recovery menu. Here, let's use the volume down button to scroll down, select the option called Enter Fastboot, and then press the power button to confirm. As you can see, we enter the Fastboot mode. Here we have options like Reboot System Now, Enter Recovery, Reboot to Bootloader, and Power Off. To exit this menu, simply select Reboot System Now and press the power button. And that's how you enter the Fastboot mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.